Hello, it's Tristan here from Property Toolkit. Today I just wanted to run through and show you how you can use pipelines and save any leads and deals that you've found in Property Toolkit so you can go back to them later to be able to go through, find the deals, follow up on them and possibly send letters through the post. So what we're going to do is just head on in and log in. We're then just welcomed by the dashboard. Then what I'm going to do here, just to give you a few examples of properties that we can easily find, is just head into our search function. So here, for example, if we're going to be looking for some letting properties, I'm just going to try and have a look for sale properties, just to get a couple of little examples that we can put in here. So up it comes the selection of properties all available in the local area. So what happens every day is Property Toolkit goes out to the major property portals in your area and it will find all the properties and details in the area, bring them in to be able to find stuff that you can analyse. And we've made it a little bit cleverer than just your standard using a drop down to find out properties that have been on the market for the longest or being able to find keywords in a little way. That just goes in here. You can choose how long a property's been on the market and use its keywords. But getting back to the point of being able to track the properties that you think are interesting or the ones that you find that are important and you want to keep on top of rather than put them all into an Excel spreadsheet, I'm just going to show you a property that I would probably be interested in. So I'm going to head in here and I'm just going to look for short lease flats and I'm just going to find those for sale. So here we've got the selection of properties that might have a short lease on them. So for example, this property here has just come up. And that's just saying it's a leasehold flat, and that one's actually saying it's got 99 years left, which means it's still a good length lease, but it could be of interest. So what I'll do is I'll have a look at another one and just see if that's going to be of interest, and then we'll go from there. So say for example it's this one. For the purpose of this demonstration, there you go, that's a short lease there, 99 years from 1985. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just put that down as interested. So what that happens is if I've done that one, let's say for example I've also like to look at this property as well, just by clicking on those we're adding those automatically to our property pipeline. So if we then go over to our pipeline and leads, you can see those properties have just added in. So then if we then wanted just to be able to export or just have a look at all the properties that we've just got in our sale listings, you can see they're all just coming up here. And that's obviously got the full property addresses. So what I can then do is just click the export and download as a CSV. And by doing that, that just opens up a spreadsheet. And that spreadsheet here, you can see the property addresses there, who they've been listed with, what agent they're with, and then you can then head out and target those vendors and then see whether or not you can get an opportunity to work on those. The same works for if you were then turn around and say you're in here and you wanted just to select the ones where they're on for sales and lettings, you wanted sales and lettings, you just click the sales and lettings button, and only those ones that are coming up for those that you've marked as interested are going to appear. This is just a simple and easy way to be able to pick up all those deals and keep them for later. I hope that helps, and if you've got any questions, comment in below.